Herb buttered peas are a bright, vivid green side dish that you can easily whip up in 10 to 15 minutes. Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table. And before we jump into our super tasty herb buttered peas, if you could do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button, I would be so grateful. Okay, thanks. All right, so for our herb buttered peas, I have to let you know, these are a huge staple in our house. And I'm gonna give you 3 great little tips that you can do to make sure yours come out amazing every time. Tip number 1. Start with a stick of unsalted butter. So many great recipes start with butter, and if you use unsalted butter, then you control the level of salt in your dish. Okay, tip number 2, use both dried and fresh herbs for your peas. Now, if you want to do a deeper dive into how and when to use dried and fresh herbs, go ahead and hit this link for a video I did a while back. It goes all into that. But for these peas, we're going to use about a tablespoon of dried herbs, and you're going to pour that right into the butter and let the butter just saturate the herbs and open up their flavors so they're nice and fragrant and really toasty. It'll be amazing. You're gonna love this. Then add your frozen peas. Stir to coat them with butter, cover them, and let them cook for about 5 minutes. For the 3rd tip, you want to cook your peas just until they are bright, vivid green. So, and this is a great place to add a little salt as well. And if you cook them too long, they'll turn a yellowish, dull, sad-looking green. If they've gone that far, they've turned a corner, there's no coming back, you can still eat them, but they won't be at their peak. So you want to let them cook for 5 minutes and then check for doneness. So we are going to go ahead. Ours are bright and happy, and there's still like a little bit of a pop, but they're hot all the way through. Super buttery, really nice, lots of fresh herbs, and needs a little bit more salt, and they're just slightly sweet. That's where you want them. Then go back to tip number 2 and add your chopped fresh herbs at the very end. You can even give them a little pop with a fresh squeeze of lemon. And you've got yourself a fabulous vegetable side dish in 15 minutes, maybe even less if your peas are already thawed out. Thanks again for hanging out with me here at Lakeside Table. And if you like this video, please hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and come on back for some more videos, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys. I'm pretty tasty.